Having a mentor is a privilege. Being able to grow professionally and personally with the help from someone in the know who has your back is something that should never be underrated. That's why we've compiled today's list of 10 things to look for in a mentor. We hope you absorb this advice and remember it when you're looking for your next mentor. If you find it useful, we'd value your thumbs up and appreciation. Subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you're alerted to all of our new releases. Okay, let's start looking for your perfect mentor, and we start with something pretty important. Number 1, the mentor really wants to mentor. Okay, Aluxers, there's nothing shittier than having a mentor who doesn't actually want to be one. Perhaps their company has forced them to do mentoring as a part of a big initiative, or they've been dragged into it by someone they owe a favor to. These are not mentors, and they will not do your journey to better yourself any justice. It doesn't matter if they work for a big company that everyone knows about. Call it quits and rather find someone who really wants to make a difference in the life of someone else. Number 2, the mentor deserves to be in their position. They didn't know someone who knows someone who knows someone. They actually worked hard, put in the hours, and started from the bottom, working their way up and deserving to be where they are today. Tim Ferriss published a book called Tribe of Mentors, Short Life Advice from the Best in the World, where he quotes several admirable leaders and mentors. In there, he quotes Jocko Willink, who once said that a leader needs to take ownership of the problems, the mistakes, and the shortfalls, and take ownership of creating and implementing solutions to get those problems solved. Take ownership. It's a great listen, and we've got a free download available for you on Audible. You can get yours by going to Alux.com/freebook. Number 3, they're kind, honest, and show integrity in all situations. In our video, 15 of the most valuable lessons from Buddha, Buddhism encourages people to share knowledge, to be a mentor, to give time to an organization, and share skills. Entrepreneur.com published an article titled The Importance of Honesty and Integrity in Business, where they affirm that leaders with integrity may not be the most famous or flashy of leaders, and they don't care. Integrity means doing the right thing because it's the right thing to do, and that's what makes success. And Aluxers, that's the kind of mentor to look for. They don't have to be a big CEO of the most well-known company in town. They need to show integrity, to be kind, open, and honest. Number 4, they listen and provide valuable, constructive feedback. It's such a punch in the gut when you're talking to somebody and it's clear they're not listening to a word you're saying. It's demeaning and makes one feel kind of worthless. A good mentor would never do that. They wouldn't be distracted scrolling through their phone or rubbernecking the cute dog they just spotted at the park. Okay, well, we personally would let the rubbernecking over the dog slide because, let's be real, we spotted the dog too. But the crux is that they're there for you and respect the time that they spend with you. When it comes to feedback, they offer it in a constructive manner that is supportive and helps the person work on their weaknesses. Number 5, the mentor keeps the relationship work-related. It's easy to become buddy-buddy with someone that you work closely with or spend a lot of time with. As the focus of a Yale article discussing what makes a successful mentorship relationship, they brought forward that successful relationships are a structured relationship through which the mentee benefits by receiving advice and instruction from a seasoned professional. We adore Steven Spielberg's take on being a mentor when he said, "The delicate balance of mentoring someone is not creating them in your own image, but giving them the opportunity to create themselves." Number 6, they are experts in their field. There's no way around this. A mentor cannot be guiding you when they don't know shit about their own job, role, or responsibilities. Mentors are seasoned professionals. They've been around the block a few times. And Aluxers, don't confuse a coach with a mentor either. Coaching is usually for a much shorter period of time, whereas mentoring is usually for a year or more. Number 7, they're willing to share their knowledge and don't worry that their job is on the line if they do. Hey Luxers, have you ever met someone who is so mum about their industry because they're afraid that you're after their job? Well, a good mentor is not that person. They're happy to share their knowledge and are secure in their position wherever they work. That's not to say that mentors don't make mistakes. They do. They're human. They just don't play the blame game. Instead, they take responsibility for their actions. A good mentor doesn't teach you directly. They show you what you need to learn and then leave you to do the heavy lifting yourself.
This bonsai has strong root. Same you. This tree now choose how it to grow. must you choose how you grow.
But not everyone is as equipped to be a self-learner, which is why we've spent the last few months creating a course to tackle that very issue. It's called Learning Mastery, and in it we hack learning to show you how to break down information and strategically lock it away in your memory to recall when needed. This course is not like anything currently on the market, and it goes live this weekend. You can find it at Alux.com/courses. Number 8. They show an eagerness to learn and are continually improving themselves. The best mentors are the ones that believe that being a mentor not only teaches the mentee, but themselves as well. They're all about learning new things, becoming better people, making improvements, and helping others to do the same. Let's be honest, would you like a mentor who believes they already know all there is to know? We doubt it, because even if they're already highly skilled in their field, things are always changing and there's always more to learn. Number 9. Treats everyone with respect, from the janitor to the CEO. There's an old story that describes a young man who had a job interview at a prestigious firm. When entering the building of the firm, he was very dismissive of a janitor working there and ignored the man's greeting. He proceeded to be curt with the secretary and was downright pompous with a huge ego. When he was finally allowed into the boardroom for the interview, there was the janitor, or rather the CEO of the company, waiting to tell him he was unsuccessful. A true mentor is someone who treats everyone equally and with respect. It's that simple. Number 10. Mentors don't judge. Mentors have been where you are, Aluxers. They started out just like you did and also look to others for guidance and help. A good mentor is someone that will guide you and not judge your every move, be it right or wrong. Their goal is to not break you down, but to build you up. As Oprah Winfrey once said, a mentor is someone who allows you to see the hope inside of yourself. So the next time you're looking for a mentor, keep these things in mind. All of these things are what you should be looking for. And remember, Aluxers, if you found value in today's video, would really appreciate your thumbs up, your subscription, and please don't forget to hit the bell notification. Okay, before we wrap this up, we've got a question for you. What can you suggest that will help people find their perfect mentor? We'd really appreciate your feedback in the comments below. And as a thank you for sticking with us until the end, of course, we've got your bonus. Hey Luxers, we're not gonna bullshit you. You can't just wake up one day and decide, it's the day, I'm gonna get a mentor, and then try to call up Elon Musk or J.K. Rowling. It just doesn't work like that. You've got to have some kind of evidence to prove that you've been putting in the hours yourself, working hard and making headway in your chosen industry already on your own. Mentors want to see that hard work, determination, and guts. They're not just going to mentor any Tom, Dick, or Harry. So make yourself stand out from the crowd. Put in the effort and feel confident in your abilities when you reach out to someone to inspire you, to teach you, and be the perfect guide on your journey. You need to show them proof of your potential, because you need to inspire them before they can inspire you.